You are not actually getting taller. Your bones are not growing. But here is the thing nobody tells you when they sell you posture supplements or those weird height insoles. Most people are walking around 1 to 3 inches shorter than they actually are, every single day, because of how they carry themselves. Fix that, and you look taller without surgery, without shoes, without anything except the right exercises done consistently. Today we are discussing the causation behind posture imbalance, ranking posture exercises from completely useless to genuinely life-changing, and then providing a sustainable method for ensuring you can correct your posture easily over time so that you stop wasting time on the stuff that does nothing and start doing what actually works. If you find value in this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly supports the channel. Also, check out our resources that can be found in the description and pinned comments. Now let's begin. Poor posture is not a character flaw. Your body is incredibly smart. If you spend 6 to 8 hours a day sitting hunched over a screen, your body adapts. Certain muscles switch off because they are not needed. Others tighten up and shorten because they are constantly held in a contracted position. The result is a forward head, rounded shoulders, and a pelvis that tilts anteriorly, giving you that exaggerated lower back arch. Each of these problems alone can steal an inch of apparent height. Together they can make you look significantly shorter and wider than you actually are. So let us rank what fixes this. Starting at the bottom of the tier list. D tier. Passive stretching only. This means just hanging from a pull-up bar or doing a basic chest stretch against a doorframe and calling it a day. Does it feel good? Absolutely. Does it create lasting postural change? No. Stretching a tight muscle without then strengthening the opposing weak muscle is like loosening a knot on a rope without pulling the other end taut. The moment you go back to your chair, everything snaps right back. Passive stretching has a role to play, but in isolation it earns a DC tier. Foam rolling and mobility work alone. Again, great as a warm-up. Breaking up tissue stiffness and improving range of motion in your thoracic spine is genuinely useful. But it is still just preparation. Thoracic rotations, for instance, get your mid-back moving after hours of stiffness, and that does matter. But without the muscle activation work that follows, you are just temporarily mobile, not structurally change. C tier, solid supplementary work. B tier. Hip flexor stretching combined with glute activation. Now we are getting somewhere real. When your hip flexors tighten from prolonged sitting, they tug your pelvis into that anterior tilt, which pushes your lower belly forward and compresses your lumbar spine. A proper kneeling hip flexor stretch where you actually posteriorly tilt your pelvis first by squeezing your glutes and bracing your core before leaning forward makes a noticeable difference in pelvic alignment. Pair that with glute bridges done correctly, meaning you genuinely squeeze your glutes at the top and avoid arching your lower back, and you start deactivating that anterior tilt pattern. Your hips stack properly. Your spine decompresses. You stand taller. This combination is B tier verging on a tier because it addresses the lower half of the postural chain that most people completely ignore. A tier. Wall slides combined with chin tucks. This is where the magic starts happening visibly and quickly. Wall slides force your upper back muscles, especially those lower trapezius fibers, to engage properly while your thoracic spine is pressed flat. Simultaneously performing chin tucks activates the deep neck flexors that have been completely dormant while your head jutted forward over your phone for years. Forward head posture alone can add the visual equivalent of significant rounding to your upper body. Correcting it pulls your head back over your shoulders, opens your chest, and instantly makes you appear taller and more confident. Do this exercise against a wall for 2 weeks consistently and look at photos of yourself from the side. The difference is striking. S tier. The combination approach that stacks mobility with strength. Over and backs using a resistance band to open the chest and shoulder complex, followed immediately by a prone back extension like a cobra or a prone Y raise to strengthen the entire posterior chain from mid-back through the lower traps. This 1-2 combination addresses the single most visible postural fault in the majority of people: that rounded upper back and hunched shoulder position. The band work loosens the tight anterior structures. The strengthening work then pulls everything back into proper alignment and teaches your body to hold it there. This is not temporary relief. Done consistently, this restructures your resting posture over weeks and months. Here is the honest truth about all of this. No single exercise is a magic fix. The reason most people see zero results from posture work is not that the exercises are wrong. It is that they do 5 minutes once a week and expect transformation. Your body adapted into poor posture over years of repetitive positioning. Reversing that requires frequency and consistency far more than it requires complexity. Even 10 minutes a day split into 2 sessions, one focusing on the upper body and one on the lower body, will outperform a 30-minute weekly posture session by a significant margin. The other piece nobody talks about is that the real enemy is not your posture during exercise. It is your posture during the other 23 hours of the day. Moving regularly, taking breaks from static positions, and building awareness of how you hold yourself moment to moment is what actually locks in the gains from your exercise work. If you genuinely commit to the S and A tier exercises daily, within 4 to 8 weeks most people report noticeable changes in how they look standing and how they feel moving. That 1 to 3 inch height difference from corrected posture becomes real. You are not growing bones. You are just finally standing at the height you already were.